Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Bride of Frankenstein on Dress to Impress. This is going to be removing everything except for the hair. The style of the outfit is completely up to you, but for the hair, I use this hair in all black. Then I use these bangs in white, positioned the Y at 0.73, rotated the X to 0.53, the Z to 0.75. Now for the outfit, I did use some VIP. I think I only used one, but if you don't have that, you can use something else. I used this outfit in white in matte for all of it. And I did the only skirt. Then we'll be using the witch set for the top in all white. And this too. And for the necklace, I just went to Kohl's and grabbed this in black. You can use like a really long skirt or something else, but I just chose this dress from VIP in just white and matte. But if you don't have VIP, you can substitute it for something else and just be creative with whatever it is you make. And that's pretty much it. Super simple outfit for this Halloween. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.